They wait for the arrival of the cars. Evangeline Booth was at this time commander of the Salvation Army in the United States, having been transferred there from Canada in 1904. She was later to become the 4th General of the Salvation Army. The car not having arrived, the General steps forward for the benefit of the cinematograph. His worldwide travels continued. Here he is coming ashore at Cape Town during his tour the next year in 1908. He visited other places in South Africa, including Kimberley. At home, his motor tours continued, thousands of miles being covered in this way. In his 80th year, we find him visiting Denmark, Sweden, Finland, and St. Petersburg in Russia. He continued to travel abroad until his 83rd year.